No, I'm not gonna fade. You ain't letting me go. You ain't bringing me down now. I'm the talk of the big town. I'm wearing my crown, I'm making my mark.
Tēnā koutou, nau mai, hoki mai, kia Fresh. Welcome back to Fresh. My name is Te Kohe Tuhaka, and this is...
Rob Mokaraka.
And we are both actors. Ooh. Most recently, we worked on a TV show called The Deadlands. And this is our world. I feel like Ellen.
Okay, TK, how would you describe the show The Deadlands?
The easiest way to describe it would be Vikings meets The Walking Dead set here in Aotearoa.
I'll buy that. I've seen it.
There's something dark and wrong about us.
What was your role?
My role in The Deadlands, I played the lead called Wakanukura.
I'm Wakanukura.
Hey, what was the freshest thing about your character?
Is his attitude towards just everyday people.
You are still the same selfish man.
Like, self-isolation was pretty good for him. Couldn't trust anybody.
Trust. That's friendship, not lies.
What was yours?
My role, I thought it was the lead role, but I was mistaken. My role was Hako.
You're leading me the wrong way.
All right, for your own good. But I nicknamed him Hako Nukuro.
Why should I care?
What was the freshest thing about Hako the Terrible?
Hako the terrible, Hako the terrifying. The freshest thing was he had a bad spitting problem.
Oh.
Our awesome co-star, Darneen Christian. Her character, Mehe, is mean as...
Oh, well, you know, sadly she can't be here with us. We're thinking of you, Dance.
Damn straight
Hey,
dance.
Kia ora, girl.
So can you tell us a bit what it was like working with her?
Awesome, actually, working with Dance. She was fresh in the sense that she was fresh out of drama school. She's fresh out of Porirua, her hometown. But she also brought a freshness as far as the balance between Waka and Mehe.
Be the man that you want to be, not the man that you used to be.
Okay, what is the funniest moment on set?
I got to set really early in the morning and wardrobe weren't all there, but somebody took the role of wardrobe and they accidentally gave me Xavier Horan's black undies. Now, Xavier, a little bit trimmer, so I was a little bit tight on the undies. And I was wearing tight undies for half the day. What was your funniest G-rated moment on set?
Because I had to wear this wig, makeup had organised these hats. And so these hats are actually made for newborn babies. I really felt the wairoa of that cap.
You had to wear these like sort of covered half of the environment. Do you think Samoans make good Māori characters?
I think Samoan practitioners can play Māori. For instance, take Nathaniel Leaves, he played my dad. Nathaniel initially turned it down. Always wanted to work with him on something. I just asked him if he could just do it for me. Literally went like this, please, just be my dad, man.
Oh, he was amazing.
He was amazing.
As your dad.
Yeah, he was amazing.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
We worked on a few things together, but what's been your favourite?
For me, the one that sticks out the most will be Goldie with ATC when I was doing my secondment during Toi Whakaari.
Freshies, we've worked together on a few things, on a Taika Waititi short film about the Māori battalion called Tamatu. And the other one was when we convinced Te Kohe to sort of lower the prestigious roles in his life and come and join the Māori Sidesteps when I was in the Māori Sidesteps.
Later, losers.
What have you got coming up in terms of acting?
I've got a couple of gigs that have been postponed due to the world we're living in at the moment. I'm really pushing hard for these next few years to get and go international. And what about you, Rob?
I'm actually doing a lot of mental health and suicide prevention work around Australasia, so... Kei te hare ko au. No, you ain't. So communities get to invite me to safely open up the conversation around mental well-being.
You're doing awesome too, brother.
Thank you, bro. For the freshies out there who want to become actors, what is your personal and professional advice?
Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. Don't feel like you have to be a certain way. Read scripts.
And enjoy it.
And you're only as good as your last gig, so make sure you behave.
That's very sensible of you. That's very sensible.
Need to take my own advice.